everyone, welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on Hive project management. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Hive, from creating a workspace and managing tasks to tracking your team's progress and integrating your favorite apps. Whether you're managing small projects or large-scale team collaboration, Hive has tools to simplify your work. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, what is Hive? Hive is an all-in-one project management platform that combines task management, team collaboration, and analytics into one easy-to-use tool. It's perfect for teams looking to streamline their workflow, communicate effectively, and track progress without jumping between multiple apps. So the first step is creating your Hive account. So what you're going to do is just go to hive.com and sign up with your email. Once you're logged in, you'll need to set up your workspace. This is where all your projects and tasks will be organized. So just follow these steps just to set up your workspace. Enter a name for your workspace. This could be your company's name or your project team. You can also add a logo or profile picture to personalize your workspace. You can invite your team members by entering their email addresses. Hive will send them an invitation. So once your workspace is ready, you'll see the main dashboard. This is the central hub for managing projects and accessing all features. So the sidebar on the left helps you navigate between projects, messages, notifications, and analytics. So if you're new, you can start with a basic project template. You can customize it later to suit your needs. Alright, so let's get familiar with Hive's interface. So this is the toolbar. At the top, you'll find the options for creating tasks, projects, and accessing your profile setting. This is the sidebar. This helps you switch between different sections like projects, messages, calendar, and analytics. Now, this is the project area. This is the main workspace where your tasks and projects are displayed. And lastly, the notification bell. You can click here to view updates like task completions or comments from your team. You can also switch between light and dark modes in the settings to make your workspace more comfortable to use. Alright, so now let's create your first project. Just click the plus new project button on the sidebar or toolbar. So here's how to set it up. The project name, you can enter that clearly describes your project, for example, marketing campaign or website redesign. And then you can also choose a template. Hive offers templates for different types of projects. You can choose one that fits your needs or start from scratch. It depends on you. And then to assign team members, you can add team members and who will be working on the projects. So this ensures that they have access to all related tasks. And to set deadlines, you can add a start and end date to keep the project on track. And once the project is created, you'll see it appear on the dashboard. Hive allows you to switch between different views such as list view, Kanban view, or Gantt chart to visualize your tasks. Alright, so tasks are building blocks of any projects. So to add a task, follow these steps. You can click on the Add Task button in your project view. Enter the title for your task, like design homepage or write blog post. Now add a detailed description so your team knows exactly what needs to be done rather. Now you can also assign the task to a team member by clicking the assign button and selecting their name, or you can also mention their username or email address. Now, to set a deadline by clicking the calendar icon, you can set there, you can put the start date and the end date. Now, Hive also allows you to break tasks into smaller steps by adding subtasks. So, for example, if your task is planned event, subtasks could include book venue, send invitation, and confirm vendors. Depends on you. You can customize it there. So Hive makes team collaboration easy. Each task has a comment section where you can communicate with your team. You can simply type your message and use the @ symbol to tag someone directly. After the @ symbol, you can put their username or email address to notify them. You can also attach files like documents or images to tasks and use the built-in chat feature in the sidebar for real-time messaging. You can also share links to external resources or tools directly in the comment section. Just a tip, you can use emojis or GIFs in the comments to keep things fun and engaging. Now, keeping track of progress is crucial, so Hive's analytics feature provides detailed insights into your project's performance, such as task completion rates, productivity metrics or for individual team members, Gantt charts to visualize project timelines. So to access analytics, you just have to click on the Analytics tab in the sidebar. You can customize the reports to focus on specific data, like overdue tasks or upcoming deadlines. Now you can also schedule automated reports to receive regular updates via email. So Hive integrates seamlessly with other tools your team might already use, so like Google Drive for file storage, Slack for communication, and Zoom for video meetings. So to integrate an app, just go to the Integrations tab in the settings and follow the simple steps. Hive also lets you automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can set up a rule to automatically assign tasks to a specific team member based on a certain triggers. You can use Hive's automation library or create your own custom workflows to save time and effort. Now, to make the most out of Hive, here are some final tips. You can keep your projects organized with clear names and labels. You can use color-coded tags to prioritize tasks and regularly update task statuses to keep everyone informed. You can also experiment with different views to find what works best for your team. And then you can schedule weekly check-ins using Hive's calendar feature to stay aligned with your team. And that's it for our comprehensive guide to Hive project management. If you have any question, you just have to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a happy project management. Bye!